Golly. And we are back from Tay's. I don't know if y'all could see that, but it's actually juicy and the flavors in there is phenomenal. Baltimore is cold, like extremely cold. And I was gonna vlog as soon as we got up, but it's been a busy day. So where we're going is Ye's and Toyo's. I've been to this place about 3 times, honestly. How many times we've been to this place, Dollar?
About 3. I'll say 3.
Yeah, listen, and every time it doesn't disappoint. But I want to go check it out. I want to see, if the hype is still there. Every time I'm in Baltimore, I feel like this is like my first stop. I have to. You feel me? I don't know why. It's like an addiction, but I'm not addicted to anything. It's like an addiction, But yeah, nah. Once we get there, right now we're on the road. Hold on, let me flip the camera. I can't do that until I flip the camera. But yeah, what happened? Oh, yeah, and this is Hashin. Say hi.
Just look at my boogers, bro.
No, just say hi.
I don't like them.
They're watching you, dude. There's kids.
Oh, for
Golly. And we are back from Tay's. I don't know if y'all could see that. Like, they did their thing. I never had lamb chops from there. I had everything else. The shrimp, the chicken, the turkey. I had everything on there. The lamb chop, this is the first time. Because every time I'll usually go there, out. But this was the last order. So, I'm glad they came through. Is there a spoon? Hey, I think, can you give me a spoon? Somebody, please. What should I start with? Let's start with the mac and cheese. I don't know if y'all can see that. The little crust. Ooh. Damn. That's that good mac and cheese if it's hard like that. On the top. Hold on. Ooh. Let's get to it. That's really good. My cameraman ain't even paying attention, but that's good, He's on his phone with his girl, bro. Like, oh, he told me to wait, y'all.
No, you good, bro.
Oh, my bad, yeah. Now, let's get to this review, man. But that mac and cheese is really good, I have nothing bad to say against it. Let's go with this yam. This yam is, like, flying everywhere. Damn. Dollar, try this yam, bro. Whenever you can. Smack. Like, it's really good. Oh, my goodness. It's just about right. It's not too much sugar. Like the other seafood place I was trying, crazy with sugar. But this one is just about right. Though I said it's just about right, but the other place was a little bit too sugary. Like at the end, once you're done eating, you could just like feel like your adrenaline just rushing you. But this one, maybe I'm talking too much, but nah, it's really good though. Okay, with the lamb, they actually got rice in it. I didn't even know that. I thought it was just lamb that came by itself. Let's try the rice and then let's try the lamb. Wait a minute now. That sauce that's in that, and it's a little cold. Maybe no, it is a little cold. I'm not even gonna. It is a little cold. Okay, hold on now. Hold on a minute.
Is that good?
No, that's good. It's honestly pretty good, but I'm not feeling the sauce that's in this rice. And the lamb and the rice, it's pretty lukewarm, but kind of cold. And I know it's not fresh, but that for a fact, I know it's not fresh. But they didn't disappoint. The flavors on this lamb is tender, juicy. It's actually juicy, though. It kind of looks dry, but it's actually juicy. And the flavors in there is phenomenal. With the lamb entree, though it was pretty expensive. Spent about $40. No, it was actually $35. And then I had it some. This entree was about $35. Yes, the hype is real, but I would have to give it an 8.5. But everything else, I know I rated it was like a 10 or a 9, a 9 and up. But this is like a 8.5. Like, it's not disappointing at all. It's really good, though. Yeah. It's there. But I can't wait to try more places in Baltimore. I wish I blocked around my whole day. But I was busy, you know. I had an interview with Google today to become a CEO. But that's a story for another day. But yeah, now I'll see y'all soon. How many lambs? Oh, it's three. It's three of us, so we good. Damn, Hashing, I said we good, nigga.